I'm making a short video to highlight this wonderful vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. Fully serviced, so everything works exactly as it should. The foliage and the berries have been restored. Original bird. Let's hear it play. We'll start off on the pause feature. Notice a nice long pause. The bird automates exactly as she should. Beak opens and closes, the tail flutters, all in conjunction with the oscillating bird song, and the head also rotates from left to right. Move it to continuous. The song is very strong and loud, yet the mechanism runs smoothly. Excellent vintage condition with a fancy bass. Turn it off, and then it winds from the bottom as you would expect. Take care.